Did you know Belgium is one of the few countries in the world with more castles per square kilometer than anywhere else? Yes, you heard it right. This little gem tucked away in the heart of Europe is not just known for its waffles, chocolates, and beer. It's a fortress paradise, a land where history stands tall amidst the verdant landscapes. Belgium, a country roughly the size of Maryland in the United States, has an incredible density of castles. From medieval fortresses to opulent chateaux, it's a place where every turn can reveal another piece of history, another story waiting to be told. Now, isn't that something? Nestled between Germany, France, and the Netherlands, Belgium is a small but mighty player in the European landscape. Despite its size, it's divided into three distinct regions: Flanders, Wallonia, and the Brussels capital region, each with its unique charm and character. Flanders, the northern part of Belgium, is a Dutch-speaking region, known for its bustling cities, famous art, and of course, a generous sprinkling of castles. Wallonia, the southern French-speaking part, is more rustic, with rolling hills, charming villages, and yes, you guessed it, even more castles. The Brussels capital region, as the name suggests, is the bilingual heart of the country, where French and Dutch blend seamlessly. It's the political hub of Europe, home to the headquarters of NATO and the European Union. But let's circle back to the castles. These aren't just structures of stone and mortar, they're time capsules holding within them centuries of history, culture, and heritage. Each castle has a tale to tell, from the grandeur of royal life to the strategic importance of these fortresses in times of war. And in Belgium, you're never too far from one of these magnificent structures. Isn't it fascinating how such a small country can hold so many treasures? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. With Belgium, there's always more to discover, more to explore. So stick around as we delve deeper into what makes Belgium the hidden gem of Europe. Belgium's history dates back to the Roman Empire, and its rich past is reflected in its stunning architecture. Our journey through time starts in the era of the Roman Empire, when the Belgae, a mix of Celtic and Germanic tribes, were under Roman rule. This period left a lasting impact on the region, with remnants of Roman settlements still visible in the country today. As we move forward, we reach the Middle Ages, a time of knights, castles, and intricate tapestries. The Duchy of Brabant, the County of Flanders, and the Prince-Bishopric of Liège were among the principalities that dominated this period. These territories left an indelible mark on Belgium's cultural identity, with their influence still seen in the country's languages, traditions, and architecture. The Middle Ages gave way to the early modern period, which bore witness to the Spanish and Austrian Habsburgs' rule. This was a time of great change, with the introduction of new ideas, technologies, and the rise of the merchant class. The year 1830 marks a significant milestone in Belgium's history, its independence. Belgium broke away from the United Kingdom of the Netherlands, leading to the creation of a new independent nation. It was during this period that Belgium adopted its official motto, "Unity makes strength," demonstrating its commitment to unity and solidarity. The 20th century brought the world two devastating world wars. Belgium found itself at the heart of these conflicts, suffering greatly but showing remarkable resilience. After the wars, Belgium played a crucial role in the formation of the European Union, further emphasizing its commitment to peace and unity. Belgium's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of resilience, unity, and peace. Its past has shaped its present, from the stunning architecture that dots its landscape to the multicultural society that thrives within its borders. Belgium's history is a testament to its resilience and its commitment to peace and unity. Despite its size, Belgium is a melting pot of cultures, with three official languages: Dutch, French, and German. This tiny European nation, often overlooked on the world stage, is home to a rich and vibrant tapestry of traditions, languages, and cultures that are as diverse as the people themselves. Imagine a country where you can wake up to the sound of Dutch chatter in the city of Antwerp, enjoy a midday meal in French in the heart of Brussels, and spend your evening immersed in German folklore in the eastern cantons. This is the everyday reality in Belgium, a country that thrives on its multiculturalism and linguistic diversity. Belgium's cultural diversity extends far beyond just languages. It's reflected in every aspect of Belgian life, from the country's cuisine to its architecture and most notably its festivals. Belgian cuisine, for instance, is as varied as its languages. In Flanders, you'll find hearty Flemish stews and world-famous waffles. In Wallonia, French influence is evident in dishes like boulet à la liégeoise, a meatball dish that's emblematic of the region. And of course, let's not forget Belgium's world-renowned chocolates and beers, each with its own unique history and tradition. Belgium's architecture too mirrors its cultural diversity, from the Dutch-influenced buildings of Flanders to the French-inspired architecture of Wallonia and the Germanic styles prevalent in the East. Each region tells a different story, each building a testament to the country's rich past and its diverse cultural influences. And then there are the festivals. Belgium is a country that loves any excuse for a celebration. From the vibrant Carnival of Binge, a UNESCO-recognized event with its roots in approximately the 14th century, to the Dutch-speaking Flanders Festival of Ghent, every festival is a reflection of the region's unique culture and traditions. In Belgium, every corner you turn, you're likely to encounter a different culture, a different language, and a different way of life. This is the beauty of Belgium, a country that, despite its size, is a cultural giant, a true melting pot of cultures. Belgium, the homeland of waffles, chocolate, and beer, is a paradise for food lovers. There's something about the taste of a Belgian waffle that sets it apart. Perhaps it's the pearl sugar that caramelizes and forms a crispy, sweet exterior when the waffle is cooked. Delightfully fluffy on the inside and crunchy on the outside, Belgian waffles are a true breakfast treat, but don't just limit them to the morning hours. In Belgium, they're enjoyed all day long, often topped with a dusting of powdered sugar, a drizzle of chocolate, or a dollop of whipped cream. Speaking of chocolate, Belgium is synonymous with this rich, heavenly treat. Belgian chocolate, known for its high cocoa content and superior quality, is a must-try for any chocoholic. From pralines and truffles to tablets and bars, the range of Belgian chocolates is vast and varied. And the best part? There are no rules when it comes to indulging in this sweet delight. But let's not forget about the beer. Belgium boasts an impressive array of beers with over 1,000 types to choose from. Whether you're a fan of the strong, dark Trappist beers, the fruity lambics, or the unique saisons, there's a Belgian beer to suit every palate. Beyond these famous three, Belgium's culinary scene has a lot more to offer. Take, for instance, moules frites, a hearty dish of mussels and fries that's a staple in Belgian cuisine. Or stomp, a comforting mix of mashed potatoes and vegetables, often served with sausage. These dishes, while lesser known internationally, are as quintessentially Belgian as waffles, chocolate, and beer. Belgium's cuisine is a reflection of the country itself, diverse, rich, and full of surprises. It's a testament to Belgium's love for good food, its respect for quality ingredients, and its willingness to embrace a variety of flavors. In conclusion, whether you're a foodie in search of your next culinary adventure or simply someone who appreciates good food, Belgium will not disappoint. Its cuisine, like its culture and history, is waiting to be explored. Belgium's cuisine is as diverse and rich as its history and culture. Belgium might be small, but it's packed with surprises. Indeed, this compact nation is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. In the past few minutes, we've journeyed through Belgium's rich tapestry of history, culture, and culinary delights, all of which make it a unique and fascinating destination. Firstly, we delved into the realm of majestic castles. Belgium, though small in size, boasts an abundance of these magnificent structures. Each castle, with its own unique story, stands as a testament to the country's rich and complex history. From medieval fortresses to opulent palaces, these architectural marvels provide a glimpse into the lives of those who once walked their halls and echo with the tales of times long past. Next, we step back in time to explore the country's rich history. Belgium's past is a captivating blend of triumph and tragedy, a story of resilience and reinvention. From the cobblestone streets of its ancient cities to the hushed whispers of its battlefields, history is alive and well in Belgium, waiting for eager explorers to uncover its secrets. In our journey, we also discovered Belgium's vibrant cultural diversity. A melting pot of cultures, it's a place where multiple languages echo in the streets, where traditions from across the globe merge, and where the spirit of unity in diversity thrives. This cultural richness adds layers of depth and intrigue to the Belgian experience, making each visit a journey of discovery. And who could forget our foray into Belgium's culinary landscape? From mouth-watering waffles and decadent chocolates to hearty stews and an impressive array of beers, Belgium is a foodie's paradise. Each bite, each sip, is a testament to the country's love for good food and its commitment to quality. So the next time you're planning a European adventure, remember Belgium, a small country with a big heart and even bigger surprises. We hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to know more interesting facts on more different topics, then please show us some love with a like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.